What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install SuperATV's snowplow mount on this General XP1000. So let's get right to it. The first thing we're going to do is remove our front A-arm bolts from both sides. So we have a frame stiffener installed on this machine. We have portals. There's a lot of tension on this bolt right now. So a lot of times what I like to do is kind of pull or push back on the tire, take some tension off the bolt and get it out. This one has quite a bit of tension on it, so what we're going to do is just take our pry bar. So we're just going to pry this bolt out. And once it gets to a certain point, you can put your impact on it. So what I did, I took a punch and a hammer and just kind of lightly tapped on it, knocked the bolt out. You're not going to hurt anything doing that. Like I said, there's just a lot of tension. It has a frame stiffener on it, big portals, a lot of weight. Sometimes it's hard to get the bolt out, so just take a punch, tap it out. Ready? So as you can see, this side just threaded right out, no problem. So if you have a frame stiffener installed, you're gonna have to remove this plate right here. In order to do that, you have to take these 3 bolts out of your front bumper if you have one equipped. So once all your nuts are removed, remove your bolts. And then just work this plate out. So what we're going to do is line up our A-arm to our hole and start our hardware through. Slide it all the way through, just like that. Then do the same thing for the opposite side. So now we're going to remove our rearmost A-arm hardware. So as you can see, I just went ahead and threaded it all the way out. It's not going to hurt anything doing it that way. So now we're going to grab our long M12 hardware, our rear bracket, and our M12 nylock nut. So now we're going to line our A-arm up with our hole on our tab, then take our bolt, slide it through. So now we're just going to repeat the same step over here on the driver's side. So now we're gonna grab our snowplow mount as well as all of our short M10 bolts. We're gonna take our snowplow mount and we're gonna lay it up just like so. Then start the bolts through the bracket, or through the mount to the bracket. See a meatball. So we have all three of our front bolts started. Now we're gonna come back to the rear and start our rearmost bolts into our rear bracket. Do this for both sides. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and fully tighten all of our A-arm bolts, and then we will fully tighten our hardware securing the snowplow mount to our brackets. Now we're gonna go ahead and fully tighten all the hardware securing the mount to our bracketry. So once you've went through, fully tightened all your hardware, all that you need to do now is attach your snowplow and you're ready to go. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.